Consonant H. The letter H stands for the h sound you hear at the beginning of hippo. Two other words that begin with the letter H are hat and hop. This is an uppercase H. This is a lowercase h. This is how to write the uppercase letter H. Straight down, go back to the top. Straight down, straight across the dotted line. This is how to write the lowercase letter H. Straight down, go to the dotted line, around and down. It's your turn.